Yeah. Yeah.
Now that you've changed that avatar, it's mapping your hands really, really well.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's not flickering anymore.
No, no,
Ah.
they're moving around just right. I
Even
can see how you're moving your
Yeah.
hands. It's very
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah, exactly. You get gestures and
Yeah.
stuff, and you also see how we could navigate. So we had this terribly confusing room where we couldn't see anything,
Mm.
and we were finding each other
Yep, 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 yep.
by voice and by eye gaze.
Mm.
And so the reason, the confusing thing is that it puts the to try and help people find you. It
Mm.
puts your nameplate miles and miles up in the
Up
sky.
there, yeah, yeah.
That's what had happened, and so
Oh yeah. Oh,
it
I
tries to put
sort
it
of
in
took a
a clear
video there.
zone.
It's
And
No, it took
so
a.
if well, I'm not flying now, but if I flew up there, I'd probably find the nameplate above the sea, above the roof. Yeah,
yeah, right, yeah, yeah.
and that's why it seemed to have disappeared, and it's not.
Okay,
You just were below me.
cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
great. Okay.
All right. Well, better go and do stuff. That's a very successful day's work, I would say. Brilliant.
Terrifying. Okay.
All right.
Right.
See you later.
Bye then.